Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A07, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before you get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now when you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So you can grab it right here. So find the little insert area and then just push it in there. You can see when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, we have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm going to occupy one of each. Now this card should be laying flush on the tray, and from there you just want to insert it back into the device, though do it carefully as there is nothing holding these cards in place. So when you start inserting it, sometimes one of the cards could kind of come up, start wedging itself. So if the tray isn't going relatively easily back into the device, don't like cram it in there or force it. Just pull it out, see if everything is still in place. And once you get it all the way in there, these cards should start working right away, hence why it's popping up with the SIM card pin. So I will need to confirm that to unlock my SIM. And also, if I now check the notifications, you can also see I have an SD card inserted as well. So both of the cards are now working. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.